Hey everybody, Chris from PC-Addicts here, and as you can see, I'm sitting down here with my laptop and charging that and the cell phone. I'm currently at an airport here in Illinois, about ready to start flying back to Southern California. I wanted to give you guys a quick update since there's still a lot of you that are subscribed, and I feel bad that I haven't really been putting out any videos. I am still in the tech industry, so I do have some information I can be probably putting out, some videos I can be putting out. Specifically going to start working on migrating VMware hosts over to XCP, so all the guests need to be moved over to XCP. This is part of the larger hospital that acquired our hospital. Lots of info, lots of stuff has changed. So anyways, just wanted to give a quick, hey, how's it going? If you're still out there and you're still in tech, maybe you started a job, and maybe you were learning back in the days when I was putting out videos since 2008, I think it was. Would love to hear your story, and then maybe we can even do like a Zoom call or something and just talk through your journey so we can help other people start a career in technology and all that stuff. So anyways, just waiting for the plane here, and would love to hear from y'all.